Hi, Jarek from MarineMax Huntington. This is the new Intrepid 35 PANACEA. The boat's 37 foot 5 inches length overall with a 10-6 beam. Come on board. This boat is equipped with twin Mercury 425 V10s. Holds 309 gallons of fuel. This is our dive door. We have a great area to walk in front of the outboards. The transom moves back to give you plenty of room to walk around the back of the boat. We have a live well. This is the plug the boat in. Speakers are also aft. This can hold an anchor. After you put out your bow anchor, you want to put a stern anchor out so the boat doesn't move around too much. There's a great access point here for that. Once we come up, we have a sprayer shower to walk into the boat with. If you climb up from the swim ladder, you want to hose yourself off right here. Cup holders. There's also here a compartment for more storage as you're walking in the boat. This is the gate, the rear gate to secure. We have ample port and starboard fish boxes. The doors are gasketed, so you do have a seal, and it locks down on both sides. Also in the cockpit, we have a seatkeeper, our filters for the engines and the strainers, batteries, everything located here. These are called fender clips. You put your line through here, you throw your fender out, and it's a dedicated spot for your fender to hang, so you don't have to use the cleat. We have a sink on the transom, as well as a grill. And this seat will fold out. Give you adequate room here. Plenty of room for 2 people. The aft-facing mez seat, also a great seat. Plenty of room, really comfortable seat right here. You have access to tackle storage, as well as access to the cooler. Another big portside index storage spot. Convenient garbage pail access. 3 Helm chairs facing forward with bolsters, armrests. Very comfortable, easy to jump up. Access this point right here. Perfect spot for your controls. Steering is in the right spot. A great little thing here for your cell phone. It'll charge your phone. You can also access the onboard sound system through the Garmin screens. This is the joystick control from Mercury, so you'll be able to operate that, as well as the additional bow thruster on this boat. We have 4 Garmin screens on the boat. 2 here at the helm, 1 up above, and 1 in the cabin. This is your switching panel for AC and DC. The keys here for the ignitions for the engines, and the battery switch on and off is right here. The 35 PANACEA has a great cabin. On the port side, you'll see at the Garmin screen, that's where you control your light settings in the cabin. You have the berth forward with the mattress, and on the starboard side, when we open this door, you'll see this is the head compartment. Plenty of room in there. Moving forward to the bow, we have great coaming bolsters and rails to hold on to as you're walking around. Forward facing seats here with armrests, storage under these seats. Awesome sound system in this boat, JL Audio. And the windlass anchor. We have a Garmin open array radar on the hardtop, as well as a Razor light bar. Give us a call at MarineMax Huntington, Long Island. Check out the Intrepid power boats.